A significant step, a step that had been to an extent expected, given that the plea deal fell through a few months ago. But you can be sure that in that building behind me, there would have been a head in hands moment from the father of the man at the centre of this, Hunter Biden, the man indicted, Joe Biden, the president. This is the indictment. It is 4 pages long. It relates to alleged offences by Hunter Biden back in 2018, gun offences. He owned a gun, he bought guns, and he did so by lying on a form where he was supposed to, where he had to claim that he had no issue with drugs, that he had not been addicted or was not addicted to drugs, when in fact he was, and so he therefore broke gun laws. Now, the plea deal you talk about was a case in Delaware a couple of months ago where he thought, or his legal team thought, that they had done a plea deal whereby he would plead guilty to these charges and to charges related to tax fraud, and as a consequence of a guilty plea, some of the charges would be dropped and he would not face jail time. Now, that plea deal fell through because the two sides had not put knocked their legal heads together. There were loose ends in the plea deal, and so the whole thing fell apart, which meant that the legal case went on, and the consequence of it now is that on the gun charges, he is being indicted. We will see where this goes from here in terms of the legal process, but you can imagine an arraignment at some stage very soon where Hunter Biden will have to surrender himself. A bail plea will probably then be put in place. That's the legal aspect of this. But of course, there is the politics as well. Another day, another extraordinary moment in the American political journey, whether it's Trump or whether it is Biden. Both sides now embroiled in their own very different legal wranglings.